we will solve few numericals that based on equations of motion. Correct? So let's see. A train start from rest. From rest means initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0. So u is equal to 0. Accelerating uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square. Acceleration 10 meter per second square. For 1 minute. Time 1 minute. Minute is not the standard unit, so change minute into second. So it is 60 second. Find velocity question mark. Distance traveled s by the train at the end of 1 minute. Given initial velocity of the train 0, accelerating with the acceleration 10 meter per second square for 60 seconds. So what is their velocity and distance traveled after 60 seconds? Clear? Solution. As you know, v is equal to u plus at. First equation. Initial velocity 0, acceleration 10, time is 60. So velocity after 60 seconds, it is 600 per second. V is equal to u plus at. U 0, a 10, time 1 minute, it is 60 seconds. So it is 60 into 10, that is 600 meter per second. This is the velocity after 60 seconds. What is the distance traveled? As you know, by second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. U 0, 60 plus half, so that is 2 5s 0 plus 5 into 3600. It is 0, 0, 5 6 is 30, 5 3 is 15 and 3, 18,000 meter, are you right? 18 kilometer. So it is velocity after 60 seconds, it is distance traveled after. Second question. Moving with uniform velocity 10 meter per second. It is initial velocity 10 meter per second. The driver of the car decided to overtake a bus moving ahead of the car. Suppose it is car and here it is bus. Okay. So a car is moving with a uniform velocity of 10 meter per second. The driver of the car decided to overtake a bus moving ahead of the car. So the driver of the car accelerate at 1 meter per second square. Acceleration of the car 1 meter per second square. For 10 seconds, time is equal to 10 seconds. Find the velocity of the car at the end of 10 seconds and also find the distance traveled by the car while accelerating. Clear? Again, initial velocity of the car is given, acceleration of the car is given, time is given. We have to calculate velocity and distance traveled after 10 seconds. Again, use first equation of motion. So v is equal to u plus at. U 10, acceleration 1, time 10. So it is 10 plus 10. Velocity become 20 meter per second. This is the velocity of car after 10 seconds. And what are the distance traveled? Use second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. See here in this equation, u is known, t is known. So we can use second equation because the question is what is the distance traveled. U 10, t 10 plus half acceleration 1 and time t 10, that is 100. It is 100 plus 50 is at 100, it is 50. It is equal to 150 meter. The unit of distance is meter. Next question. Cyclist riding motorcycle A is traveling at the speed of 20 meter per second. It is initial speed 20 meter per second. Apply the brakes and stop the motorcycle in 10 seconds. Stop means final velocity becomes 0 and time taken 10 seconds. Another motorcyclist B, it is A. Another motorcyclist B traveling at the speed of 5 meter per second. Initial velocity for B 5 meter per second. Apply the brakes and stop the motorcycle in 20 seconds. Its velocity becomes 0 but time taken 20 seconds. Plot speed time graph for the two motorcyclists. Which of the two motorcycles travel further before it come to the rest? Distance traveled. So draw the graph for A and B. Suppose here it is time t and here velocity. Initial velocity, suppose it is 20, here it is 10, suppose it is 5, it is 0. So for car A, initial velocity 20, decelerate uniformly and after 10 seconds its velocity becomes 0. Suppose it is 5, it is 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. So after 10 seconds its velocity becomes 0. This is, suppose it is A, let it is O and it is say PQR. P, it is Q and it is O. It is for car A. Now for car B, its initial velocity 5 and finally after 20 seconds its velocity becomes 0. It is for car B. Suppose this point is R. With the help of velocity time graph, as we know, area enclosed by the graph represent distance traveled. So distance traveled by A is equal to area of a right angle triangle POQ. POQ. It is equal to 1 by 2 base OQ into height OP. It is 1 by 2 OQ. It is 10 and OP 20. 2 5s are. It is 100 meter. So distance traveled by A is 20 meter, 100 meter. Suppose PQ, let this point is S. Distance traveled by B. Distance traveled by B. It is equal to area enclosed by second graph B. It is equal to 1 by 2 base. It is OR into height. It is OS. It is equal to 1 by 2 OR. It is 20 and OS it is 5. 2 10, that is 50 meter. It means distance traveled by A is greater than distance traveled by B. So in this way we can find the distance traveled by body with the help of velocity time graph. Question. A car is traveling with the speed of 36 km per hour. Initial speed 36 km per hour. 36 km per hour. It is better to change kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 36 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter. 1 hour, that is 3600 second. 0 0 0 0 and 36. It is 10 meter per second. Okay. The driver apply the brake and retard the car uniformly. The car is stopped in 5 seconds. T is equal to 5 seconds and final velocity becomes 0. Find retardation of the car means negative acceleration. Distance traveled by the car before stop. Clear? U given, V given, T given, we can calculate acceleration. Since by first equation of motion V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to 0. U is equal to 10. Acceleration is to be found. Time is equal to 5. It is minus 10. Transfer this 10 to left. Become minus 10 is equal to 5A. So minus 10 upon 5 is equal to A. So A is equal to 5 2 ja minus 2 meter per second square. Here negative sign shows that retardation is taking place, means velocity decreases. So what is the distance traveled after 5 seconds due to application of brake? So use second equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U 10 time 5 plus half acceleration minus 2 and time again 5, that is 25. So it is 50 plus 2 1 ja. It is minus 25. So 50 minus 25, that is 25 meter. So this is the distance traveled after 5 seconds due to application of brake. Thank you. Rest question you will solve yourself, and if you have any doubt you may ask me personally in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.